manager wants sales from January to December. What you can do is you can create another new page. Okay, because if just say I were to choose the same page, it looks small. Looks small means it will not be presentable. You can go to page, and then up to you. You can actually choose a clustered column chart. Over here, there's an icon called clustered column chart. You click it over here. So this is clustered column chart, and you can actually tick the revenue. You can expand the date. Date we have here. Expand this, and then you click the months. When you click the months, so now it will show you the performance of January sampai December. Okay, and then you can actually go here and you can turn on the data label. So over here we do have the data label. Where I turn on, I go to format your visual, I turn on the data label. And the interesting thing is we also have further analysis. So my dear friends, nampak tak? Okay, repeat the month. Boleh, I can repeat the month. Thank you for asking the question. Okay, so how I do is I tekan pada clustered column chart. I tekan pada clustered column chart. What I do is I tick pada total revenue. I tick, it will show me like this. Then over here we do have a date column. So what I need to do is over here we have a arrow. So we need to expand this, expand the date hierarchy. So dalam date ni ada date hierarchy. Dalam date hierarchy ada month. We have the word here called month. So I tick on the month. So here we have the month and we can expand over this. So Tawamani, did I answer your question? You can just let me know if I did. That means what I do is okay, so you say yes. So yeah, you can put data label. Okay, so over here there is a word called add further analysis. So my dear friends, nampak tak kat sini ada add further analysis to your visual. If you can see, maybe can you type number 2 in the chat box? Okay, so what is add further analysis? So when I click it over here, here ada banyak jenis line. So just say ada average line tu, I click on the average line, I press add line. When I press add line, you will notice that kat sini ni ada satu garisan. What is this garisan means? This garisan means the data, this is the average line. If just say you want the max line, you tekan kat sini, you add line. So that means this is your ceiling. This is the maximum sales. This is the average. And if you click here, minimum. So over here, this one is the minimum. So this is the data. And then you can just change the line. Maybe I want it to be 0% transparency so that everyone can see. Or choose a different color. Maybe I choose a black color. So here you can see lah, this is the lowest. This is the highest. This is the average. And maybe you don't want dash. Dash means ada dash kan. You want solid pun boleh. So this is solid. Maybe for the maximum also you can do the same thing. Wait, let me just go to the maximum line. Maximum ni I don't want blue color. I want to put red color. So this one is here red color. And if you want to remove the transparency also can. So this one will show you in a dark color. And then after that you can put it maybe in a dotted, so that it will have a dotted or it have a solid line. So basically people use Power BI ni is actually to understand the data, to faham. For what they use Power BI? Actually to do a presentation. They can see the pattern. Okay, rupa-rupanya 16.6 is the highest. We have a average. So over here this is the average, and we have this is the lowest.